Today I will speak about myself. My name is Ankit. I am a 9 years old boy. I live in Madhupura. I study in class 4 at Madhupura Primary School. My father's name is Mahesh Bhai. My mother's name is Manjula Ben. I like playing kabaddi. I like pani puri and samosa. I like reading and writing. I love cartoon and playing video games. Thank you.